How does CSD change your brain during a migraine? Imagine a ripple moving across a calm pond, but instead of water, it's your brain's outer layer. That's similar to what happens during a migraine when a wave called cortical spreading depression occurs. This wave starts with a sudden burst of electrical activity in the brain cells. It's like a surge that causes neurons and glial cells to lose their normal electrical charge all at once. After this burst, the brain enters a phase of suppressed activity, where neurons slow down or temporarily stop firing. This wave moves slowly across the outer layer of your brain, the cerebral cortex, disrupting normal brain functions. As it spreads, it changes how blood flows in the affected areas, sometimes causing blood vessels to constrict and then dilate. These blood flow changes can trigger the pain signals that lead to a migraine headache. Cortical spreading depression also causes shifts in ions like potassium and glutamate outside the neurons. These shifts make certain brain cells more excitable, especially inhibitory interneurons, which can help spread the wave further. When this wave hits areas involved in processing pain, it activates the trigeminal nerve, a major pathway that carries pain signals from the head to the brain. This activation releases inflammatory substances like calcitonin gene-related peptide, which promote inflammation in the meninges, the protective layers around the brain. This inflammation is a big part of what causes the throbbing headache during a migraine. Beyond pain, CSD affects other parts of the brain involved in mood, sensory processing, and thinking. That's why migraines can include visual disturbances, such as flashing lights or blind spots, sensory changes like tingling or numbness, nausea, and even difficulty concentrating. The wave of electrical activity and the inflammation it triggers create a cascade of effects that make migraines complex. Understanding how CSD changes the brain during a migraine helps explain why these attacks can be so disruptive and why treatments often target these specific brain processes. It's like a domino effect, where one wave of electrical disturbance sets off a series of changes that lead to the symptoms many migraine sufferers experience.